Welcome to Curve Nova 2.0. Today we explore the story of Olivia Castor, an American Instagram model and social media personality known for her stunning visuals and elegant online presence. Born in 1997 in the United States, she is currently 26 years old and admired for her natural beauty, healthy lifestyle, and effortlessly charming smile. Olivia stands around 5 feet 5 inches tall, weighs roughly 56 kilograms, and is recognized for her dark blonde hair, light green eyes, and balanced figure measuring 35-25-36. Her full name is Olivia Claudia Moto Castor, and though her ethnicity is mixed, she keeps most personal details including family and private life away from the spotlight. With a passion for photography, travel, and makeup, Olivia began growing her social media presence by sharing captivating photos. Today, she has over 2.8 million followers on Instagram and more than 630,000 on Twitter, making her one of the notable rising faces in digital modeling. She previously shared premium content on subscription platforms, gathering thousands of followers and millions of likes before stepping away from that space in 2022. Currently a full-time model, Olivia collaborates with numerous fashion brands and earns through modeling work, sponsorships, and digital promotions. Her estimated net worth is around $900,000, reflecting her success and dedication. Thank you for watching Curve Nova 2.0.